Hello everyone. Today we are starting Azure 104. So to start practicals directly, you need a free trial account, and I have already created a video on how you can create a Azure free trial account, or you can watch on any YouTube video and you can create by your own. Or I can explain you in this video also. I will be attaching a PDF SOP. So I used this SOP to create when I was creating this free trial account 2 days before. So here a step-by-step guide is here. Like here you will click on this link. It will redirect you to Microsoft Azure portal, and you will see this page. Then you will click try Azure for free, and then it will redirect you to this page. Here you will click on create one. Then it will ask you to enter your Gmail ID. Remember to use Gmail ID which you haven't used before. So any Azure account. Then it will send a OTP on your Gmail account, so you have to enter it here. After that it will redirect to a new page. Here you will enter your details like your country, date of birth, and click next. Then it will ask you to enter your name. So here I have entered, for this trial account I am using cloud engineer, and then I click next. It will ask you to verify the captcha whether you are human or a robot. So you press and hold this icon, then you will pass the captcha. After that you will like it will redirect you to a new page. Here you will select for personal use. Then you will select your country, and name will automatically come because we have given earlier, and email ID will also come. Then it will ask you to enter your phone number in this step. So phone number you have to use which you haven't used before. A new phone number you would be required, because if you are use this phone number with any Azure account, so you won't be able to get the free credits. And then in company name you can, I have entered cloud engineer, you can enter according to you. Then you have to click next. Then again it will ask you about your address information, so you have to enter your country, city, and pin code. Then after that scroll down, and it will ask you to read the this Microsoft customer agreement. So I have already read, so I clicked on this, and then I click next. Then it will ask you to enter your card details. Remember to use the card which you haven't used before. So here one more thing you have to keep in mind, that Azure only takes Visa card. So if you have any other card except Visa, so you won't be able to get like you won't be able to create the account. So you need to have a Visa card, and make sure that in your card international payments is enabled, because if international payment is not enabled, you won't be able to like create an account, because Azure will detect 2 rupees in from your account. So once you enter your detail, click sign up. Then you will be redirected to payment page. So you will receive a OTP on your number. So here you will enter the OTP, and you will click a pay, make payment. Then Azure will detect 2 rupees from your account to verify whether it's a real account or fake. So after that you again select a Microsoft customer agreement and click next, and then it will show you your sign payment information which you have added. Then click on sign up, and then you go scroll down and click next. It will ask you to enable multi-factor authentication, but when I clicked it didn't ask me to like install a app or scan, so maybe we will do it later. So then you will be seeing this screen, a welcome screen. Then click close, and you will be seeing this exactly. And like here also I can show you on the main screen. So it will look like this. Then few things I want to tell you about this, like To create a account, as I have already told you, that you need a new email, new phone number, and new card. So you get 200 credits for 30 days uh, as a free trial subscription. So how credit works, that's also I would like to explain. Like suppose your 200 credits get finished before trial ends, before 30 days. So your trial ends there. And in second case, like you have 30 days, your 30 days is completed, but your credits are remaining. That in that scenario also your trial ends. So this is how it works. If you want to use or continue with that account, you have to upgrade it as a pay as you go, because Azure automatically does not upgrade your account as a pay as you go. When your subscription ends, it get disabled. And if you want or if you want to continue, or you want it for more days, so you have to follow same procedure. Whether, like, you have two procedure, whether you go for pay as you go, which is paid version, or you need a new email, new phone number, uh, new card, and again you will get 200 credits for 30 days. So this is about account section. Now let's go to the portal, and here you will see like this. It is showing me here only that I got 18,358 rupees credited, which will expire on March 2026. Or you can see it on the notification as well, credit remaining. And you can close this, it's not good. And here you have to search subscription. Or you can click here also and look for the subscription. Okay, it's not showing here, not an issue. Let's search subscription. So here you will get this icon, subscription. Click on this, and once you click on this subscription, you will see Azure subscription 1. Then you have to click on this. Once you click on this, you will see like this. Your remaining 200 credits free credit expires on 23 days, in 29 days. Okay. So here you can see your subscription ID, subscription name, plan, status of the plan, which plan is going, and kind of stuff. And this is a overview page. Then if you want to like see the invoices and billing methods, so you will go here, or one moment, click scroll down and click on billing properties. When you click on billing properties, if you can't find it, you can search it here directly, billing properties. Then you click here on your name, billing account name, as it is cloud engineer for me. So when I click here, so I can see a overview. From here I go to billing. So here I can see invoices generated for me. Whatever invoices is getting generated, I will see here. As of now, it is a fresh account, so I won't be able to see any. And for card details, like which payment method is it, so you, when you click here, you will be able to see your card details, like which payment method is currently there. And also, if you click on benefits, so here it is taking little bit time. So here it will show your credits, like free credit. This is how you verify that you got the free credits of 18,358 days, amount remaining. So this is a way to verify how this work, and how much credit is remaining. And let me explain you something about subscription. So let's go back to the SOP which I have created for you. First, I would like to tell you, start with the very basic. What is cloud? Cloud means using someone else's big computers server over the internet instead of your own. Example, like you're using electricity from the grid instead of building a power plant at your home. You pay only for what you use. as I have used to create the I like through AI I created this image so you can understand it better. Anyway, let's continue. Let me zoom it for you. So after that I would like to mention like what is Azure Cloud. So Azure Cloud was launched in 2010 and it's a computing service which provide a computing service over the internet instead of you buying your own physical servers. Like earlier we need a, if you want to like earlier if we need a server so we have to purchase it and create our own data center, all switches, and we need a server administrator for that kind of stuff and electricity cooling room, so that all cost is cut. Now you can directly get the server over internet. That's what they are giving to you, Azure as a cloud. And Azure has 70 plus regions plus 400 plus data centers, and it's like it's worldwide and globally recognized, as you know Microsoft already. So here first I would like to explain what is the reason. What is a region? So an region is a physical location where a Microsoft has centers, data centers. So here I have included an example, like I am from India so I have used it here. So in India Azure has regions like Central India, Pune, South India, Chennai, and West India, Mumbai. So it's called region, and in region they have data centers inside the building. So Microsoft has one more physical data centers that runs Azure services. For example, Central India is a region. Central India region is located in Pune and contains the Microsoft data center. So here I have given a link also how you can check. Currently it's okay, yeah, it got open. So here it's a map of where their data centers are available. As I told you, it's worldwide. So suppose let me select their available zones, available now currently where the data centers are available. So here whatever you can see in the blue lighting, so it's available data centers. So suppose let's find India. Suppose let's say it's a India, so it's a Central India, and as I told you this, in Central India location is Pune. So like this we have one more South India which is in Chennai. So likewise you can check your region whether the Azure data center is available or not. It's in Japan, China, China East kind of. So you can play around according to you. So now let's go back to PDF and continue. Now let me explain what is subscription, which we just checked practically. So Azure subscription is a very important thing because without subscription you cannot use any Azure services, as I have written here. An Azure subscription is a service agreement that lets you use Microsoft Azure services. So without it you cannot create servers or anything, because this is a required must have thing, because all billings happen from this. Whatever you use, whatever your budget is, whatever your plans you are going to use, all bill will fall under this Azure subscription, and you can create more than one subscription according to your need. So you get charged and managed through the subscription only. So this is why subscription is very much important. And another thing is resource group. After subscription, resource group comes. What is a resource group? Resource group is like a folder that keeps all related Azure resources together. Resource group a resource group can belong to only one or resource group at a time. Resource group can only belong to only one resource group at a time. And one more thing I would like to highlight: if you delete a resource group, so your all data will be deleted from whatever inside the resource group. suppose you are like we are going to see in a practical, if you are going to create a VM Windows server, so you need a resource group. So resource group is attached to that VM, whatever a Windows server you create or Linux server, anything whatever according to your need. So it will be attached to that VM, and if you delete the resource group, your VMs and all data like servers will get automatically deleted. Okay, after once you create the resource group, can you rename it? No, you cannot rename a resource group. Can you move the resource group to another resource group? Like if you want to you can't rename it. So can you move the resources from one resource group to another resource group? Yes, you can make that. And to prevent resource group, we use to prevent deletion of resource group, we use app locks, so we cannot accidentally delete the resource group. And resource group has also a reason to store metadata. Metadata means data of data. So, but resource group inside like like suppose you have a VM, so VM you created in Pune, but you selected a resource group in Chennai, region, so that doesn't matter. Like your VM can have different reasons. It's not necessary to have the same reason which like you created a resource group in Pune, so you in a Pune region, so your virtual machine should also be in a Pune region. No, it's not necessary. Your virtual machine can be created in uh, like in Chennai also. So that's a good thing about Azure. Now we will do practical first of resource group. How you can create a resource group. So here we search resource group. Yes, here it is. Click on resource group. So click on resource group, and I will name it as a test RG. Is it 01? Is it test RG day 1? Let's name day 1. And here we can search for Central India. Like I want to create it. I am from Maharashtra, so I would like to create it for the from Central India. Central India. Can you guys see Central India? Yes. So here it is Central India. So now click next. So here are tags are like optional, but if you give it like suppose you want to know who created this resource group, so by this could be a way, like it is created by cloud engineer RG. Resource group is created by cloud user, or let's say just cloud user. Let's not make it complicated. So click next, and once you can you can review the things, click create. And once you click create, you will get this notification, resource group is created. So let's refresh it. You would see it here. Resource group. Yes. So now it's you can see the resource group, and subscription is automatically selected, and we have created a resource group in Central India. So now we have understand the resource group and subscription. So that's all for this lesson, and actually I want to include this also. So I want to tell Azure offers three main cloud services: infrastructure as a service, you which means you rent virtual machine, storage, and network. You can manage the OS application. Example, creating a virtual machine in Azure, and second service is platform as a service. Azure provides the platform to run your application. You manage only your app and data. Example, Azure app service. Third one is software as a service. So software as a service means ready to use software over the internet. Microsoft manages everything. Example, Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is like it's an email provider. So you guys, it provide emails, Outlook, and Web Excel and all kind of things. So you guys must be aware of that. So that's called a software as a service. And what is pay as you go model? Pay as you go means you, this is the model on which Azure runs. So pay as you go means you only pay for what you use. There is no fixed monthly charges. You are billed based on actual charge uses, like hours of VM use, storage, etc. If you stop using a service, you stop paying for it. It works like an electricity bill, or more usage means higher cost, less means less lower cost. So this is how it works. So thank you so much. Let's see you in part 2.